Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create radio buttons. Let's get it started. First let me create a function. So, okay, you have to import TTK from Tkinter. TTK. Okay, TTK dot radio buttons self and value equal to 1. Okay, I have to create a variable self dot value equal to okay. So integer variable which take integer value self dot add okay self dot okay uh, add one and to place it I'm using grid geometry manager. Column equal to 0. Okay, I copied it that's 2 times, change it to 2, this should be 3. Okay, and I have to change the rows also. Okay, 1, it should be 2. Okay, and green it should be hello. Okay, I will explain this you later. Okay, okay, let's see whether this is working or not. Okay, I have to change the value also 3. Okay, everything seems okay. Now run and see. Okay, now you can see this is our radio buttons. Okay, let's set some function to them. Okay, it first let me create a label. L1 equal to label. Initially it is default. Okay, I'm using place this time. Okay, x equal to 30. Now 50 50 and width 300. Height okay 300. No 200. Okay, 300 is okay. And okay, if I okay now date now we get the self.back or get. Okay, now if I print this okay I have to keep the command here. Radio self dot radio okay radio work okay command Okay, radio work. Now, okay, if I run, now you can see when I select the first radio button, okay, 1 is printed, and if I print second, then 2 is printed. If I print third one, then 3 is printed. Okay, now you can see it is perfectly working. Now we configure. If self dot value, okay, will equal to 1, okay, when the user select the first one, okay, we change the color of label L1 to red. Okay, configure. Okay, BC equal to red, and give some information. Red. Okay, I'm using font. Times and size 20 and type bold. Okay, now if I run and see and select first one, okay, L1. Okay, I haven't called the label it. Okay, that's why. Okay, now you can see the background color is changed and text also shown here. Okay, similarly, okay, we do for next two radio buttons. Okay, alif. Okay, and okay, 2, 3. Okay, this is for second and this is for third. And okay, let me scroll up. Okay, green. Hello. Okay, you select green. Okay, green. Okay, everything seem okay. Let's run and see whether it is working or not. If it is not working, then we will fix. Okay, now you can see. Okay, there is. Okay, we set the background color red and text. You select a red. Okay, it is appeared here, so it working. Now when I select second one, okay. Okay, and you select green. Okay, background color is also changed. When I select the third, okay, okay, I forget to change the text. Okay, if I run this again and see and select this one, now you can see it is working. Okay, here I create a variable which accepts the integer value, and I create the radio button here, and I set the text red, and I set the value to 1. Okay, the value should unique. Okay, shouldn't match with other radio button. Okay, if it matches, then it won't work. Okay, I will show you. If I select red, then it's show me green. Okay, okay, you can write anything you want, but okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, it's also work. Okay, it okay is an identifier. Okay, it should be unique. And next things, okay, I set the variable equal to self dot variable. I pass this value to this variable, so I can access okay, these variables outside the method. Okay, its value. and I set the command equal to self.radiobutton. Okay, similarly for these two, and okay, and here I when the user click this first one, okay, the value of self.var become okay 21342. Okay, and I use the if statement, and if okay, and I get the value of self.var, and I associate this to self.value, and if this value is equal to 21342, then I update this label initially, which is default, or it does not show nothing. Okay, but it exists. Okay, our background color, if I run our background color and this label color is same, so it's not noticed. So okay, and okay, similarly when the user select second radio button, okay, then the value become 2, and this statement run, and if the user select third one, then value become 2, and this statement run, and correspondingly the label will be updated. Thank you for watching, guys. If you stuck it somewhere, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe.